Welcome to my channel, everybody. In this video is about the discussion mathematical induction. About the discussion with mathematical induction, that the more mathematician name are come on the front of this chapter. Number one, Pythagoras, and Forestry mathematician Pascal, and the word induction is related with the mathematician John Walsh. He has used this word induction, and the mathematician De Morgan's or some conversion tested by the method of induction. Okay, and the last of all the mathematician G. Peano. Okay, some of the proofs are done by the mathematical induction. Okay, the first step is that in some statement are given there, and there is maybe a equation and inequality, and we have to show by the mathematical induction with the help of induction left hand side equal to right hand side, and with the inequality. Okay, and the method is first step here is we want to prove the induction for natural number, only natural number. Start from here 1. Okay, and we want to prove the first step here is the statement is true for n equal to 1, and the second step is here, let us assume the statement is true for n equal to k. After that we have to final stage, this is we have to prove for n equal to k plus 1. Okay, I repeat, this method is proceed by first step here is the statement is true for, statement is the question which I have given you. The first step here is the statement is true for n equal to 1. After that we let us assume the statement is true for n equal to k, and then after the final stage 1, 2 and 3, it is we have to show the final stage here is the with the help of k, as the second stage here let us assume the statement is true for n equal to k. After that we have to show that the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1, and this third stage is the main important point. Okay, now see for the question number here 1, we have to show the mathematical induction is that the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square dot root n square, and that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. You know, all you know, but we have to show the mathematical induction. And first let us assume the statement is that let Pn be the statement that Pn such that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square root 2 n square, and that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n is belongs to capital N, is natural number. Okay, then we have to show that the P1 is true. Now P1 equal to P1 such that, okay, this is the left hand side. One is means first term, this is the left hand side, this is left hand side. Okay, now right hand side here we replace by any in place of 1 is in place of n is 1. Okay, and this is the step here by 6, and that is equal to 1. See, left hand side equal to right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, therefore P1 is true. Okay, now the second step, this is the first step, and now the second step here is let us assume the statement is true for n equal to k. That the statement is true for n equal to k. So pk is true. Let us assume. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square dot root 2 k square, and that is equal to k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 here. Okay, now we have to show that pk plus 1 is true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay, now 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. See that this is the kth term. Okay, this is the nth term, this is the kth term. After that the k plus 1. It means the next term are introduced here. So that's why. So this is in the previous stage, here is k square. But one step are increased. This is the nth term, and then after n plus 1 term. Okay, like that. For that, from this to this, the value is, let us assume k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6. It is true. We have to later. Let us assume in the previous stage. Okay, so this is k plus 1 and 2k plus 1 by 6, and after that this is the nth term, that is k plus 1 whole square, and we take a common, that is k plus 1 by 6 here. So after that 2k square plus 1 is 6 2k square plus k, 6k plus 6 here. So that is k plus 1 by 6 and 2k square 7k plus 6. Okay, and from that 3 4s are 4, and 6, 4k plus 3k plus 6 here. So this is k plus 1 by 6, and take account 2k, then here k plus 2, and take account 3 here, k plus 2 here. So k plus 2 are common. So this is k plus 2 and this is 2k plus 3. So this formation can be written in the form of that, like k plus 1. Okay, after that k plus 1 plus 1. After the within the bracket k plus 1 plus 1 by 6. Okay, from this view, see that the formation is k plus 1 and 2k plus 1. In place of k, we have put there k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1. Okay, so by this point we can easily say that therefore p of k plus 1 is true when pk is true. Okay, in the previous point we have to show that the p1 is true here. Okay, therefore for n equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. are true when n equal to 2. Okay, therefore Pn, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square dotted to n square, and this is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is true for n natural number. Okay, so this method is called the method of induction, and these points are should be needed to write like this pattern. Okay, and follow the writing stage. Okay, this is the main important point for the method of induction. And now again see the point number 2, question number 2, and see carefully, again see the carefully. First point here is, so the question number 1, again we repeat this. First point, we have to show that the theorem is the given statement is true for n equal to 1. After that the theorem is true for k plus 1, let us assume, and we have to show the next stage here is we have to show that theorem is true for k plus 1. Okay, first let us assume this is applied for the n equal to 1. This is 1 square, this is left hand side value. Okay, and put the 1 on the right hand side, we get also 1, so left hand side equal to right hand side, therefore p1 is true here. After that, let us assume the statement is true for n equal to k. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, k square, dot to k square equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 1 by 6. It is Let us assume this is true. Okay, and needed to prove for the after one term be added, next term be added. Okay, that's why for the n equal to k plus 1, we have to the statement is true for the increase of the term. Okay, now 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, order to k square, and added to the next term is k plus 1 whole square. And sum of this term is that is k into k plus 1 and 2k plus 1 by 6 here. So this is this, and plus k plus 1 whole square, and taken from k plus 1 here is that, and take the builder factor here is this k plus 1, k plus 2, and 2k plus 2. And this three factor can be written in the pattern of that is k plus 1, k plus 1, and k plus 1 also this. So you can say easily that the chain is true for k plus 1 when k plus 1 is true. And from that we can also say that the statement is true for the n equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. as the theorem is to satisfy for the 1. As we see that if the satisfy 1, then this is the k plus 1. So it's also proof for the 1 plus 1, that is 2. If the satisfy for the 2, then also 2 plus 1 also satisfied. Okay. By this system we can say that the given statement is true for the n natural number. Okay. Now see the for second point here. Second, let Pn be the given statement. So Pn such that 1 by 1.4, 1 by 4.7, and this is by 3n minus 2 and 3n plus 1 is equal to n by 3n plus 1, where n belongs to n. Okay. Now for n equal to 1, that is P1. This is 1 into 4, this is 1 by 4, it is left hand side. Okay, now right hand side here, this is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 4. So left hand side equal to right hand side. First step. Again we repeat, this is the first step. Okay. For the second step, let us assume Pk be true. So we can write here Pk plus 1 such that 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4 into 7, and this is for k, we can replace by k in place of n. Okay, and this is 3k plus 2, and this is k by 3k plus 1. Okay, now we have to show the theorem is true for the k plus 1 term. Okay, so that's why 1 into 4, and this is 1 by 4 into 7, and this is 3k minus 2 and 3k plus, this is the last term, and increase the next term is replaced by k plus 1 is, this is 3k plus 1 minus 2, and also replaced by k plus 1, this is also 3k plus 3 plus 2. Okay, and this way this is equal to this c from this equal to k by and 3k plus 1 here, and after that here is 3k plus 1, and this is here 3k plus 5, and take a common here 1 by 3k plus 2. Okay, then that is here k plus 1 by 3k plus 5, and this is equal to 1 by 3k plus 2. Okay, and take a LCM here 3k plus 5, and this is equal to 3k square plus 5k. This is here 5k plus 1. Okay, this is here 2 minus plus 1. Okay, I'm wrongly written here. This is here 1. Okay, this is here 1. Sorry, this is here 1. So this is here 4. 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 Okay, and 1 by 3k plus 2 and 3k square plus 3k, k plus 1, 3k plus 4. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by 3k plus 2 into, take a common 3k, and this is k plus 1, and this is 1, k plus 1, 3k plus 4. So this is here k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 4. So these are cancelled. So in place of n, we can write here k plus 1, and this also be written here k plus 1. So 3 into k plus 1, see, this 3k plus 4 here. Okay, so therefore p of k plus 1 is 2 when pk is true. And similarly, we can write also the statement is true for the other point 2, 3, 4, etc. when the statement is true for n equal to 1. Okay, see the solution carefully. And now see the next point here. We want to show the other, and same as we can easily proceed the 3 and 4 also. Okay, now we have introduced the point here 5. Okay, see again, and students, all of you do the problem 3, 4, and same as the 1 and 2 here. Okay, now proceed the 5. Let Pn be the given statement that 3 to the power 2n plus 1 plus 2 to the power n plus 2 is divisible by 7. Okay, so P such that, and that is equal to 2n plus 1 and is equal to is by 7. Okay, now find P1 such that, and that is 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2, and that is equal to, this is a 3, that is 27. Okay, 3 to the power 3 means 27, and this is here 3 means 8. 35. So it is divisible by, so 35 is divisible by 7. Therefore P1 is true. Now let us assume Pk is true. So therefore Pk such that 3 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 2 to the power k plus 1 is by 7. Okay, therefore 3 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 2 to the power k plus 1 is equal to 7m, where m is a natural number. Then you can say this is divisible by 7. Now f of, let us assume this is fk, 3 to the power 2k plus 1, and this is okay, k plus 1. Okay. Now we have to find, we have to show f of k plus 1 is also divisible by 7. So that's why find this factor like 3 to the power, in place of k we put here k plus 1. So 3 to the power 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 to the power k plus 1, and this is here plus 1. So this is equal to 3 to the power 3k plus 3 and 2 to the power k plus 2. Okay, and see the carefully here. We target this variable either this and or this. So find this expression in terms of 7m minus 2 to the power k plus 1 and replace here. Okay, so that's why we can write here like 3 to the power and 3 to the power 3k plus 2. This is your 3k. Okay, this is your, okay, no, this is your 1. So this is your square. So from that we can replace here 7m minus 2 to the power k plus 1, and this is here 2 to the power k plus 2, and replace 9 into 7m minus 2 to the power k plus 1 and 2 to the power, this is k plus 1, so here k plus 2, so we split like this, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power k plus 1. So from this power we can easily add it and subtract. So 63 m, and 9, this is 9 into 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 into 2 to the power k plus 1. We can easily add these two terms, 63m minus 7 into 2 to the power k plus 1. So it is divisible clearly, so that if I take a common 7, 9m minus 2 to the power k plus 1. So therefore it's proof f of k plus 1, that is p of k plus 1, is true. Okay, is true. This is divisible by 7. So you can easily say that as the first statement shows that the p1 is true and also k plus 1 is true when p of k is true, then p of k plus 1 is true also. So you can similarly say that the statement is true for n equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. when p1 is true. Okay, and previously in this point we have to show that the p of m plus 1 is true when pk is true here. Okay, see the solution carefully. Now see the question number 6 here. Okay. Question number 6, and so that the method of induction a to the power n minus b to the power n divisible by a minus b when n is a positive integer. Okay. Now Pn be the statement that a to the power n minus 1 or b to the power n is divisible by a minus b. So therefore P n such that a to the power n minus b to the power n is by a minus b. Okay, now P1, that is a to the power 1 minus b to the power 1, that is a minus b, is by a minus b. So P1 is true here. Now let us assume Pk is true. pk is true. So a to the power k minus b to the power k is by a minus b. Now let f of k is equal to a to the power k minus b to the power k, and that is equal to some integer into a minus b. As it is divided by a minus b, so the factor is a minus b, and the other factor p is an integer. So okay, maybe the other factor. So that is the degree of okay. So now this is the factor a minus b here. Now see carefully. Okay, now f of this is k plus 1. This is a to the power k plus 1 minus b to the power k plus 1 here. Okay, a to the power k into a minus b to the power k into b here. See, we can easily find, implies that ak is equal to b to the power k plus p times of a minus b here. So replace here. So b to the power k plus p times of a minus b here. B into b to the power, sorry. Okay. So a into b to the power k, multiply this. So this is p into a square minus ab. Okay. Minus b into b to the power k. Okay, and from that we take a common from these two parts as a b to the power k and write here a minus b, and also we take a common here a, and this is p, that is a minus b. Therefore take a common a minus b. Then the other factor will be b to the power k and ap. So therefore it shows that the statement is true, that is f of k plus 1, that is p of k plus 1 is true when pk is true. Therefore the statement, therefore the is true, and that is a to the power n minus b to the power n is divisible by a minus b. Okay, this is a very interesting question. And next point, last point, the 7th. Okay, see, last point is that let Pn be with a given statement, that is Pn such that sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin n theta, that is n theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 into sin of theta plus n theta by 2. Now for P1, and this is equal to sin theta, and this is left hand side, and now right hand side is equal to, put n, this is theta by 2, and this is also theta by 2, put the n, okay, for 1, so replace the n equal to 1. So again see, this is 1, so theta plus theta by 2, so this is cancel, so this is theta and theta are match, okay. So left hand side equal to right hand side, so P1 is true. Now let us assume that Pk is true. Okay, therefore Pk such that sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin k theta, n theta, that is k theta, replacing by k, and that is equal to sin k theta by 2, and sin, this is theta by 2, and also sin theta plus k theta by 2 here. Okay, now another term are introduced after that, that is the k plus. Now we have to show that if Pk plus 1 is true. So another term are introduced, that is sin k plus theta. After that, the next term are introduced here. This is k plus 1 into theta. So from this to this and replaced by this term. Okay, from this is this. Okay, sin k theta, sin k theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 and into sin theta plus k theta by 2 plus the introduce here sin k plus 1 theta. Okay, we simplify this. This is the have common there. Okay, now see sin k theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, sin theta plus sorry, this is here taken common theta and get here 1 plus k by 2, and this also like that, theta into k plus 1 by 2 and cos of theta into k plus 1 by 2, and take a common here 2 sin theta and k plus 1 by 2. This is, and this is a common there. Okay, so 2 are not common there. Okay, this term is common, so sin k theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 here, and 2 into cos theta k plus 1 by 2, and take a LCM like theta into k plus 1 by 2 whole divided by sin theta by 2 here, and see this is here sin k theta by 2. Okay, and 2 times of that we can arrange it like sin of this is theta k plus theta by 2 plus theta by 2 here, and also minus sin of theta k plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2 here. Okay, and this is equal to sin theta into k plus 1 by 2 by sin theta by 2 here into and this is here, I think these factor are cancelled, so we have left here sin, we have taken a common LCM, this is 2, so that is theta k plus 2 theta. Okay, from this pattern we have got that. Okay, this is equal to, we replace in place of k, this is k plus 1 theta by 2. See, and again this is theta by 2, this is free from k here, so this is same here, and same as sine we have right here. If we take common theta, then this is k plus 1, so if we common theta, this is theta by 2 and this is k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and this is the formation. So P of k plus 1 is true when P of k is true. Okay, and after that we can easily say that the statement is true for n equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. when P1 is true here. Okay, see that carefully. This is the best video for the method of induction, And another video, another sum problem I introduce the next video for the method of interaction. Okay, see.